Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. Today I am making lemon blueberry crumble bread. If you've never had this, you should really try it. It definitely gets the drill-worthy stamp of approval. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Grease a loaf pan. For the crumble topping, you want to mix 2/3 a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 a cup of melted butter. All you do is mix it all together until a crumble mixture forms. Then place that in the fridge until ready to use. In a mixing bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and set that aside. In another mixing bowl, add 1 cup of sugar and 2 eggs. Mix that together until it's combined. Then add in 2/3 a cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or you can use lemon extract if you want it to have a little extra lemon flavor. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix that well. You're going to need about 2 cups of blueberries. You want to save about 1/2 cup of blueberries for the topping, and place the remaining blueberries in a bowl and dust with a couple of tablespoons of flour. Mix it gently. Spread the batter in the loaf pan. Place the remaining blueberries on top and then cover with the crumble topping. Place in the oven and bake on 400 degrees for 5 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees and bake for 55 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After 20 to 25 minutes, loosely place aluminum foil over the top to prevent it from getting too brown. Baking times vary depending on the type of loaf pan you use and if you're using frozen blueberries. It may need an extra 10 minutes or so. Remove from the oven and cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Transfer it to a wire rack to completely cool. Now, a helpful tip would be to use parchment paper in the loaf pan before putting the batter in. And you want to make sure the parchment paper hangs over the sides, because this is going to make it easier to remove the loaf of bread from the pan. I didn't think about this until it was too late, but I still managed to get it out of the pan. I did lose a little bit of the topping though. So this bread is full of flavor. Everyone enjoyed it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned Friday for a cooking short, and then Monday for another episode of the Lake Hill City Birds. And as always, y'all have a very blessed day.